Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Ollie. He's been here before many times. So we have a lot of songs here from Ollie. I know there are many fans out there as well. So therefore, this one is for you. And all the Ollie fans, hi, Thru The Lows. Nice, another nice song from Ollie. Let's take a look at this one. With the capo set here on the 4th fret, we have strumming pattern that we can utilize, but also this picking pattern sounds really great in this song. So we're gonna go through the chords. There are the base for everything here. So let's do the C major 7. It goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord will be B minor. Of course, we need to throw in a bar chord here, always. Anyway, this is a bar placed on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add also 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Okay, so there you have the chords. Now let's look at the picking pattern, which is really lovely for this song, fits very well. So we're gonna look at the chords now, and you hold the C major, it starts there as it is, and you're gonna play this part for 2 rounds. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open B, and 2 times on the open G. Then comes the E minor part. It goes for 1 round only. That will be 2nd on D string, open G, open B, and 2 times on the open G. And then we have the G part. You go up to this position on the 5th fret D string and play. So that will be 5th D and open G, open B, and 2 times on the open G. And you notice this 5th D and the open G are actually the same notes, but it adds a different color twist to it. And in this song and many other songs, when you utilize like this, so it rings out in a different way and all that. So that is the first half: C major 2, E minor 1, and G1. Then you go back and play the C major and the E minor in the same way on the second half. So C major 2 and E minor 1. And then we have the final part, the B minor. It goes. So that will be 2nd on A string, then open G, open B, and 2 times on the open G for 1 round. And there you finish the melody. So 1 round of melody goes. Actually 2 rounds because it's that good. So over now to strumming, and it's very easy. You start in the same way. Of course, you follow the same chord progression, which is played through the entire song, by the way. Perhaps I didn't mention that, but yeah, grab the first chord, C major 7, and 1 string around will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So first down, down, up, clap, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple rounds. All right. Alright, so you're gonna play the same amounts of strumming rounds as you played for the picking round. So that means C major 2, E minor 1, G1, then C major 2, E minor 1, and B minor 1. Of course, now you need to hold the full chords as they are, and it goes like this. Took off a little bit there, got the feeling for it. Anyway, you can mix it up. Melody, strumming, it's up to you. Always high through the lows. That's sometimes how it is in life. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this, click that like button. And until next time, play tuned.